welcome back to our channel Home Decor, your go-to place for the best in home decor inspiration. Today we are diving into the timeless charm of stylish wall clocks, not just as time keepers but as elegant design statements that add personality and warmth to any space. From family pictures clock to nature-inspired scenes, get ready to explore beautiful clock designs that will transform your walls into works of art. Let's start with one of the most emotional and personal options, family picture clocks. These clocks combine functionality with heartfelt memories. Imagine a classic round or square clock, and instead of traditional numbers, you have your family photos arranged in a circular layout. Each year, each hour can showcase a precious memory, your wedding photo at 12 o'clock, your baby's first smile at 3 o'clock, a family holiday at 6, and so on. These clocks are perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even hallways. They serve as a beautiful reminder of the people and moments that matter the most. You can go with black and white photos for a vintage feel or vibrant colors for a lively modern touch. For an added DIY vibe, consider custom photos clock kits available online. They are easy to assemble and make a wonderful gift idea too. Next up, we have wall clocks with scenic backgrounds. These are perfect for those who want to bring the beauty of nature or iconic landmarks into their home. Think of a clock face over a mountain landscape, a calm beach sunset, or a romantic Paris skyline. These designs bring a scene of peace and aesthetic charm to your walls. You can choose a high gloss print for a modern look or go with a rustic wooden frame for a cozy countryside vibe. Clocks with scenery are great for bedrooms, reading nooks, or even in a cozy cafe style kitchen. They not only help you all the time but also tell your travel with your imaginations. If you love a natural, earthy feel, then wooden and rusting clocks are made for you. These styles often feature distressed wood finishes, metal hands, and bold Roman numbers. You will find options shaped like wagon wheels, barrels, or even vintage farmhouse signs. Some even incorporate reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly touch. These clocks blend beautifully with rustic farmhouse or boho decor themes. They pair well with neutral palettes, jute rugs, and soft lighting. Add one to your living room or entryway for a warm, inviting look that never goes out of style. For those who prefer a sleek, contemporary look, modern minimalist clocks are the way to go. These clocks often feature clean lines, metallic finishes, and neutral colors like black, white, gold, or silver. You might find design with no numbers, just elegant hands floating on a solid surface, pure minimalism at its best. These are ideal for modern living rooms, office spaces, or even minimalistic kitchens. Their simplicity adds sophistication without overpowering your space. Pro tip: oversized minimalist clocks look stunning on a feature wall, especially when combined with abstract wall art or geometric patterns. Let's rewind time with antique and vintage wall clocks. These are perfect if you love a touch of nostalgia or old warm charm. The styles range from ornate Victorian frames to 1950s retro dinner clocks and even classic cuckoo clocks. Many feature Roman numerals, brass detailing, and weathered finishes that add a sense of history and character. Use them as a focal point above a fireplace or mix them into a gallery wall with vintage mirrors and frames. Whether you are decorating a heritage home or just love collecting timeless pieces, vintage clocks are always in style. So, which style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.